folks, welcome back to part 5 of our intermediate core data video series on editing and deleting data from core data. So just to recap, we got the loading work, we got the saving to work, in the last video we got the deleting to work, so now we want to be able to edit data and have the edit persists to persist from app run to app run. Now, if you go through this code from the introduction, you'll notice that I have a method here called updatePerson, and that method gets called when the user clicks the edit button after they've made changes on the second screen. This video is not about how all that works, but this video is about how to do the work we need to do at this point. So, at this point, I know that this person could have modified data. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say self dot the person list index dot what? Dot the managed object dot what? Dot first underscore name is equal to the person dot first name. So I'm updating the managed object's first name with the first name of the person that got updated. To make our life easy, I'll just, that doesn't make our life easy. This will make our life easy. I'll just copy this line. And instead of first name here, we'll have what? We'll have last name. And instead of first name here, we'll have last name. So, what I'm doing is I'm saying, take the managed object. First last. Ooh, that's weird. Okay, last name. Okay. So, I've taken the managed object associated to the person we're editing, and I'm saying their first name is whatever the new first name is. I'm taking the managed object of whoever we're editing, and I'm saying their last name is equal to the last name. So, I've only changed it in my context, but I haven't saved it yet. So the last step is pretty simple. All we have to do is what? We're going to do our do catch. Again, I'll set up my catch first. Could not save the edit. And we'll say the error is equal, let's just take these two out, put that in. And let's just say the error is \error. Dot localized, and we'll close that, and up here I'll simply do a what? Try self dot managed object context dot save. And let me just back this up a bit, and there we go, we're saving it. Pretty easy, right? Let's take the steps again. Update the managed object. Save the context, which saves any changes, and print an error if we catch an exception. So let's give this a shot. I'm going to run it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a record and make sure it persists. So we're going to say Bobby Brown. Okay, and let's quit the app. And we still have Bobby Brown, so let's click on it once, and let's change it from Bobby to Bob, and from Brown to Browning. So we have Bob Browning, and I'm going to click Edit. So now I have Bob Browning, and it should persist. How do I know? Well, let's quit the app. Let's then make sure the app is guys. And let's click here. And we have Bob Brown, and yay! Then we just make sure delete still works. Quit the app. Remove the app from the background. We'll go back into this app, and there's nothing there. So, that sums it up for this video series. Just to recap, we added the manage object to the person class. We were able to load, save, edit, and delete. Great. See you in the next series. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.